Hi everyone, today we are in Westchester. I'm Mitchell Ram with the Ram Real Estate Group at Cole Banker, and we are at the Stoney Creek Condominium Complex. We're at 7680 Scioto Unit 207. Let me give you a couple features that I really like. There's open concept, totally move-in ready, and this community does have a pool. Let's check it out. For more information or to schedule a showing, please contact me and make sure to follow us on social media at the Ram Real Estate Group.